Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini on your Redmi phone. First, you will need to download the Gemini application directly from the Google Play Store. It's a quick process, usually taking less than 1 minute. Make sure your Redmi device is running an updated version of Android for optimal performance. Once installed, simply open the app and log in with your Google account. This step personalizes your experience, allowing Gemini to understand your preferences better from the start. Now that you have Gemini set up, let's explore how to interact with it. You can launch the Gemini app directly, or if you prefer, activate it through your Google Assistant by saying, "Hey Google." Once open, you can either speak your questions aloud or type them into the chat interface. Gemini is designed to understand natural language, making conversations feel very intuitive. It's ready to assist you with a wide range of queries, providing information in mere seconds. Gemini offers many powerful features beyond simple questions. You can leverage its capabilities to draft professional emails, saving you valuable time, or summarize long articles into concise points. For creative tasks, Gemini can generate unique stories, poems, or even scripts based on your prompts. It's also an excellent personal assistant, helping you set reminders for important events and manage your daily schedule with ease, keeping you organized throughout your day. To make your Gemini experience even better, consider customizing its settings. You can easily adjust Gemini's voice to one of several options and select your preferred language for interactions. It's also helpful to review your activity history, allowing you to revisit previous conversations or information. Your feedback is incredibly valuable. By sharing your thoughts, you contribute to improving Gemini's accuracy and usefulness for everyone. Enjoy exploring all the possibilities with Gemini on your Redmi device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.